Hello and welcome to the English Audiobook Library. Today we're going to learn 50 useful English sentences about daily routines. These sentences will help you talk about your everyday activities in English. You can use them when speaking with friends, writing about your day, or practicing English conversation. Listen carefully to each sentence. Read along with the text on your screen. Then, try to repeat each sentence after me. Are you ready? Let's begin with sentence number 1, morning routine sentences. Section 1, waking up. I wake up at 6:30 every morning. I wake up at 6:30 every morning. My alarm clock rings at 6:05 a.m. My alarm clock rings at 6:05 a.m. I open my eyes and stretch my arms. I open my eyes and stretch my arms. I get out of bed slowly. I get out of bed slowly. I feel sleepy in the morning. I feel sleepy in the morning. I yawn and rub my eyes. I yawn and rub my eyes. I check my phone for messages. I check my phone for messages. I look at the time on my watch. I look at the time on my watch. I open the curtains to let in sunlight. I open the curtains to let in sunlight. I say good morning to my family. I say good morning to my family. Section 2, bathroom routine. I go to the bathroom first thing in the morning. I go to the bathroom first thing in the morning. I wash my face with cold water. I wash my face with cold water. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I use toothpaste and a toothbrush. I use toothpaste and a toothbrush. I comb my hair in front of the mirror. I comb my hair in front of the mirror. I take a shower every morning. I take a shower every morning. I use soap and shampoo in the shower. I use soap and shampoo in the shower. I dry myself with a clean towel. I dry myself with a clean towel. I put on deodorant after showering. I put on deodorant after showering. I look at myself in the mirror. I look at myself in the mirror. Getting ready. Section 3, getting dressed. I get dressed after my shower. I get dressed after my shower. I choose my clothes from the closet. I choose my clothes from the closet. I put on a t-shirt and jeans. I put on a t-shirt and jeans. I wear comfortable shoes. I wear comfortable shoes. I pack my bag for school and work. I pack my bag for school and work. Section 4, breakfast time. I eat breakfast at 7:05 a.m. I eat breakfast at 7:05 a.m. I have eggs and toast for breakfast. I have eggs and toast for breakfast. I drink a cup of coffee every morning. I drink a cup of coffee every morning. I enjoy orange juice with my breakfast. I enjoy orange juice with my breakfast. I sit at the table with my family. I sit at the table with my family. Daytime activities. Section 5. Going to school and work. I leave home at 7:30 a.m. I leave home at 7:30 a.m. I walk to school every day. I walk to school every day. I take the bus to work. I take the bus to work. I arrive at school at 8:15 a.m. I arrive at school at 8:15 a.m. I greet my friends when I arrive. I greet my friends when I arrive. Section 6. Study and work activities. I study English every day. I study English every day. I do my homework in the afternoon. I do my homework in the afternoon. I read books to improve my English. I read books to improve my English. I practice speaking with my friends. I practice speaking with my friends. I listen to English podcasts during lunch. I listen to English podcasts during lunch. Evening and night. Section 7. After school and work. I come home at 4:10 p.m. I come home at 4:10 p.m. I play sports after school. I play sports after school. I spend time with my family in the evening. I spend time with my family in the evening. I help my mom cook dinner. I help my mom cook dinner. We eat dinner together at 7:15 p.m. We eat dinner together at 7:15 p.m. Section 8. Bedtime routine. I watch TV for 1 hour before bed. I watch TV for 1 hour before bed. I brush my teeth before sleeping. I brush my teeth before sleeping. I change into my pajamas at night. I change into my pajamas at night. I set my alarm for tomorrow morning. I set my alarm for tomorrow morning. I go to bed at 10:30 p.m. every night. I go to bed at 10:30 p.m. every night. Great job! You've learned all 50 sentences. Now, let's practice them one more time. This time, I want you to repeat each sentence after me. Ready? Now you know 50 daily routine sentences in English. Here are some tips for using them. Tip 1. Personalize them. Change these sentences to match your own routine. If you wake up at 7 hours, say, I wake up at 7 hours every morning. Tip 2. Practice daily. Try to use at least 5 of these sentences every day when thinking or speaking in English. Tip 3. Write about your day. Use these sentences to write a short paragraph about your daily routine. Tip 4. Speak them out loud. Don't just read silently. Practice saying each sentence clearly and confidently. Tip 5. Make variations. Learn to change the sentences. For example, I wake up at 6:30 can become, I woke up at 6:30 yesterday, or I will wake up at 6:30 tomorrow. Excellent work today. You now have 50 powerful sentences to talk about your daily routine in English. Remember, the key to improving your English is daily practice. Use these sentences every day, and your speaking and reading skills will improve quickly. Thank you for watching the English Audiobook Library. Please like this video and subscribe for more English learning content. Leave a comment and tell me, what time do you wake up every morning? Keep practicing, keep improving, and I'll see you in the next video.